at Magdala. That used to be a street. It's actually 2,000 years old street. And on top of that street is Etty. Etty, where are we now?
We are in Magdala. It's today an excavation site. There is a famous synagogue that found here, date to the 1st century. One of the synagogue that Jesus teach the Bible. I'm standing on the authentic, original road in Magdala. Might be part or just by the Via Maris, the main road that mentioned in the
so many places. The main Roman way from, let's say, Egypt of today to Turkey, to Europe and Asia, to yes.
Yeah. So here we are in a new complex, kind of a non-denomination church, one of the chapels.
And this is important because it's,
This room is in the size of the synagogue
that we found here.
About,
yes.
Outside the.
But why it's so important here? You mentioned the golden triangle, but you meant, yes.
It's there is a golden proportion in this kind of a masterpiece.
And I can see the masterpiece. Can you talk about the masterpiece?
We see the hand of a woman that was bleeding for 12 years and touch the corner of a garment of Jesus. Might be kind of a tzitzit, like a praying shawl. She touched and healed. To say that 12 years. Remind us also that she was among the crowd that was saw the kind of wonder or a miracle that Jesus healed the daughter of Jairus, Yair, the head of the synagogue in Capernaum.
Actually, it was just after he healed her on the way. I think it was on the way to heal that child. Yes. But this is amazing. As a non-woman, cannot understand the suffer that a woman bleeding for 12 years.
Non-stop. Yeah. And if she's married, so she can't be with her husband for 12 years. She cannot be a mother. And she also kicked from the community.
That is so important.
That's terrible.
She couldn't go to the synagogue. She couldn't go
to the temple.
To
ask for forgiveness. To forget all her sins will be forgotten.
She felt that she was punished. No one actually talked with her. If she was a married woman, they couldn't be in the same house. And that's what I want you to figure out, to imagine the suffer of that woman. And the woman, the moment she touched Jesus, she was cured. She didn't even ask him to be cured. And Jesus felt it.
And this is a part of that group of people that Jesus healed.
Yes.
People from the side of the community, the marginalized people.
Marginalized people, that is correct.
Remind us Zacchaeus, tax collector in Jericho.
Well, it can be. And from time to time, it reminds me as a child. Remind me stories of children that weren't part of the big group of children.
The black sheep of the family.
I am the black sheep of I am. Yeah.
Too.
Really?
Everyone
thinks that. I'm thinking about it too. I think. It looked like my mother didn't love me. No, she loved me, but she loved the others.
Mary Magdalene over here, which also both.
Yes.
A woman.
Yes. I feel like Mary Magdalene didn't matter.
And in the Bible, sometimes they relate to her that she was, also possessed with demons.
It's true. I am possessed with demons from time to time as well. Then I'm sure that each one of you has got the same stories. You're the black sheep of the family. Do you feel that you are different than others? This is your time to pray for healing, because he can do that. He can do that. This is your time. I will be here for another 2 minutes in that amazing synagogue, in that amazing 12 years of suffering. And if you feel just like me, this is your time to pray. Thank you very much for being with me in that super important minute, and I hope that only good things will happen to you. Just touch it. Thank you. Bye-bye.